Hello guys, in today's video I am going to teach you how to turn on or off your camera on Microsoft Teams in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we need to do is to log in our account in Microsoft Teams website, and after that it will take you to the chat dashboard. So as you can see here, so if you wanted to make a call to someone, if you have a meeting with your GCs, and if you want to start a meet now. Okay, so for me I will start a meeting now for my own. So click this button here and click this start meeting. So we just have to wait for a sec, for it is now connecting. Okay, so after this guys, it will show us. Okay, so as you can see, okay, here's my camera. So in order to turn on or turn off this camera, you just have to click this camera button here. Click that one. Okay. Or the other options here is, okay, this one. The video option here. So you just have to click this one guys. You can turn off, and also you can turn on your camera. So that's it guys. So that's how we're going to turn camera on or off in on Microsoft Teams. Okay, so please don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy these quick tutorials and for more videos in Microsoft Teams tutorial. Thank you.